I get asked all the time, where do I find a good real estate attorney? My answer usually is get a shovel and start digging, but no, that's just a joke. All right, I like attorneys. In fact, attorneys help me make a bunch of money. Now, way back when, I didn't use attorneys to close. I, like everybody else, thought we can use title companies to close, and we can. But when you have a title company to close, you understand that they represent their underwriter. They don't represent you, and they're not attorneys. An attorney represents you, and the attorney is going to be working with the title company because he's going to order title first and then get it to the point where it's time to close. And then the attorney will prepare the right documents and make sure that they're the legal updated documents that apply where you live. And they're going to do their best to cover your butt because they're working for you. Now, yes, a title company can do the same thing, but if you ever have somebody challenge you on that purchase, then you're going to need an attorney. Now, that attorney, your real estate attorney, is not going to be your attorney that defends you there, but they're going to be a darn good witness. What better witness? The person who actually closed the deal, sitting in front of the judge, telling him, Your Honor, we disclosed everything. Here it all is in writing. And they did not have any questions when they left. So now here we are now. They're trying to go back and get some free money back. But I got to tell you, tenant buyers have only sued me about twice in my 41-year career, and I won both cases because I had the documents in my file and I had an attorney do it correctly. So write these 3 words down: always prepare for court. Get the documents in your file if you ever get attacked. Make sure you have them all, especially the disclaimers and the disclosures, because the other side might not even have them. They sometimes lose them and they can't produce them to their attorney. So I use attorneys because they're actually free when I'm selling, because my tenant buyer pays the attorney's fee. They cost me nothing. And when I'm buying, I usually pay for my attorney. My attorney costs $650. And frankly, these attorneys are not hard to find. So if you, first place I'd start looking, if you have a real estate club in your city, one of the nonprofit things, or even the profit clubs, guarantee you there's an attorney that is in that club that is coming there looking for your business that does real estate deals day in and day out. And that's the kind of attorney you want. You don't want an attorney that's doing a little of everything. You hire a divorce attorney to represent you on a real estate deal, and you might be needing a divorce attorney because they don't understand real estate. So no attorney can understand everything. But some of them try to take on tasks they are not qualified to do. So you can always here's an easy way to do it. Go find some investors that you run across or that you know and ask them who they're using for an attorney. Do the same thing with realtors. Who would you use for investor deals? What attorney? And pretty soon you'll start getting a few people to call, and you'll find that when you ask 2 or 3 people, sometimes they'll give you the same name. They have already taken the time to weed out the attorneys, so then you just pick up the phone and start a relationship. I'm looking for an attorney to close real estate deals, and I want to make sure that you can do the wraparound mortgages and subject to deals and install tenant buyers on the back end. So you'll actually close twice for me, once going in, once going out. And if they have any problem with that, you're probably at the wrong place. If they don't have any problem with that, you're probably at the right place. And then the next thing I'd want to know, can we arrive at a fixed number for a real estate closing going in or a lease option going out, so I'll know what I'm dealing with. And again, my charge is $650, and a good real estate attorney will probably charge you the same thing regardless of the closing that you do. So now you know what it costs. $650 going in for you, nothing going out. So attorneys are not hard to find, and make sure you can get one you want to work with. I mean, if you don't even want to talk to he or she, they're not the right person. So anyway, that's enough on that for now. If you want to learn more, click on the link and come to my bio.